Good morning, dear children. The hard rock are also used for making the roads, houses, buildings. Then the stones in many games we use the small छोटे-छोटे जो stone होते हैं. For example, 7 stone, pittu, hip hop, scotch, 5 stone गिट्टी. है ना? In that games we use the small stone. Now we are moving forward. See that the red fort is made up by the red sandstone, and the Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. These are also the kinds of the rocks. You will be surprised to know that one type of the rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. Means one rock is converted into another rock. This process of transformation of rock from one another is known as the rock cycle. That transformation process of rocks we call the rock cycle. You have already learned when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. We seen how the igneous rocks are made up. The igneous rocks made up when the magma burst, it means magma come out, and after come out it convert into the solid form. It cools down and convert into the solid form. That we call that. Which type of the rock is there now? Igneous rock. So these igneous rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rock. When that igneous rock are break down in the small pieces of rock, at that time we call such rock sedimentary rock. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into the metamorphic rock. What happen? जब igneous rock को प्रेशर दिया जाता है और हीट दी जाती है igneous rock को. ओके, igneous एंड सेडिमेंट्री रॉक को क्या किया है अभी यहाँ पे? प्रेशर और उसको हीट दी है, तो इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ मेटामॉर्फिक rock. The metamorphic rocks, which are still under great heat and pressure, melt down to form the molten magma. Again here the molten magma are formed from the metamorphic rocks. It means we seen कि फर्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, इग्नियस रॉक्स को क्या किया है? हीट दी गई है और उसको प्रेशर दिया गया है. देन इट कन्वर्ट इनटू द मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. अगेन मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक को अगर हमने क्या किया है? हीट और प्रेशर दिया है, तो इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द मोल्टन मैग्मा. गॉट इट? दैट इज द रॉक साइकिल. This molten magma again can cool down and solidify into a igneous rock. In this way, that process is going on inside the earth or outside the earth. Rocks are made up of different minerals. Means every rocks are made up from the different types of the minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have central physical properties and defined chemical composition. Means that minerals are included the physical properties and chemical compositions. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as a fuel. For example, coal, natural gas and petroleum. Coal, natural gas and petroleum are the fuels. They are also used in industry. Also industry we can use that type of the natural fuel. Then iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. in medicine, in fertilizers. Got it? These all we got from the different kinds of the rocks. That minerals also we got from the different kinds of the rocks. I hope you all has understand this lesson. This lesson is very easy. You have to read it properly and draw the diagram which I have given to you. I have given to you that diagram. Which diagram I have given to you, you know, dear children? That one, interior of the earth I have given to you. After drawn this diagram, you should draw, you can draw that rock cycle also you can draw in your copy. Got it? This is the project for this lesson. Okay, you have to make complete your copy. From tomorrow I am sharing with you objectives and question answer. Got it? Goodbye.